Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of delicious chicken shawarma. It has so many elements and all are homemade. Without further delay, let's get started. Firstly, I'm going to prepare kubus or pita bread. I have shared this recipe in my previous video and I'll leave the link in the description below. This is pickled cucumber, which is essential to make shawarma. I have shared this recipe also earlier and I'll leave the link in the description below. If you show everything in detail means this video will be too lengthy, that's why I'm leaving the link in the description. This is Toum sauce, which is famous Lebanese garlic sauce, and I have shared this recipe in my previous video. So you have to prepare all this ahead of time while making shawarma. For the chicken filling, I have taken 250 grams of boneless chicken. Slice it into thin strips like this. To that, add in salt as needed. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of paprika powder. In goes 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of jeera powder and juice of half a lemon. In goes half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder and half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and I'm using frozen one. Mix it nicely so that everything combines well. Marinate the chicken pieces for 30 minutes to 1 hour. For the salads, I have sliced in 1 tomato. I have used outer part of the tomatoes and not the seeds. This is half salad cucumber. I have sliced everything into almost same size. I have taken 1 carrot, half a capsicum, little cabbage and 1 onion. Take everything in a mixing bowl. Give it a mix and add in salt as needed. Add in half a teaspoon of pepper powder. In goes juice of half a lime. Mix everything nicely and keep it aside. The salad for the stuffing is ready now. You could see the pita bread dough has risen and doubled in volume. Since it's sticky, I'm adding a little maida and kneading it. Roll the pita bread dough in a round shape and cook it. For shawarma roll, we have to make quite larger size pita bread, because we have to keep the filling on the bread and roll it. While cooking, the pita bread will puff up like this. I have used maida as well as wheat flour for this pita bread, so that it will be soft and delicious. Look at the friends how beautifully the pita bread is puffing up. Next, I'm going to grill the marinated chicken pieces. Heat some sunflower oil in a grill pan and add in the chicken pieces. Cook it nicely on both the sides. Since I have used breast piece, I should ensure not to overcook these chicken pieces. It will turn dry if you overcook it. I have grilled these chicken pieces for 10 minutes and removed it. Chop the chicken pieces slightly. Pickled cucumber, salads, pita bread, Toum sauce and ketchup is ready now. Now let's assemble the shawarma. For the shawarma roll, place the big size pita bread onto the butter sheet. This is how they serve in restaurants, so I thought of replicating it. Spread some Toum sauce as needed. Add in very little amount of ketchup and spread it. Now place in the chicken pieces on the center of the pita bread. Add some salads and the pickled cucumber on top of it. Actually, there's no specific measurement to add all these ingredients. You have to add it according to the size of the pita bread. Now squeeze in Toum sauce on top of the salad. Bring the two sides of the pita bread together and wrap it in the butter sheet like this. Delicious shawarma is ready to be served now. Once again, I'll show how I made the shawarma. You can make shawarma easily at home. Make pickled cucumber ahead of time and this gives nice flavor to the shawarma. Do try this shawarma and share me the feedback. Next, I'm going to prepare the shawarma pockets. For that, slice the pita bread into 2 pieces like this. You'll get a pocket and spread in some Toum sauce. Spread in very little amount of ketchup. Add in some grilled chicken pieces. In go some salads, pickled cucumber and Toum sauce. Vegetarians can use falafel instead of chicken pieces. Both taste equally good. Delicious shawarma rolls are ready to be served now. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes like this. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.